Are you interested in pursuing a career in game development but don't know where to start? Look no further, as we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be sharing 12 key points on how to become a game developer, and we'll do it in just 6 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it takes to become a successful game developer, so let's dive in. Point 1. Define game development. Game development is the process of designing and creating video games. It involves various stages such as conceptualization, design, coding, graphics design, project management, and testing. Point 2. Types of game development. Game development can be divided into different categories such as mobile, PC, and console. Depending on your interests, you can choose the type of game development that suits you best. Point 3. Skills required. To become a game developer, you need to have strong coding skills and proficiency in programming languages such as C++, Java, and Python. Other essential skills include graphics design, project management, problem solving, and teamwork. Point 4. Educational requirements. While you don't necessarily need a formal degree to become a game developer, a degree in computer science or game design can provide you with the necessary knowledge and skills to succeed in this field. Point 5. Game engines. Game engines are software frameworks that game developers use to build games. Some of the popular game engines include Unity, Unreal Engine, and CryEngine. Point 6. Tools and software. In addition to game engines, game developers also use various tools and software such as Visual Studio, Maya, and Adobe Photoshop to create and develop games. Point 7. Game development process. The game development process involves several stages, including concept phase, design phase, development phase, and testing phase. Each stage is crucial to the success of the game and requires careful planning and execution. Point 8. Collaboration and communication. Collaboration and communication skills are essential in game development. Game development is a team effort that requires developers to work together to create a cohesive and engaging game. Point 9. Building a portfolio. Building a portfolio is an excellent way to showcase your skills and work to potential employers. A portfolio should include your best work and demonstrate your ability to create high-quality games. Point 10. Finding job opportunities. There are various ways to find job opportunities in game development, including job boards, networking, and internships. It's important to stay up to date with the latest job postings and industry trends. Point 11. Continuing education. Game development is a constantly evolving field, and it's essential to keep learning and improving your skills. You can take online courses, attend workshops and conferences, and read industry publications to stay up to date with the latest trends. Point 12. Conclusion. In conclusion, becoming a game developer requires hard work, dedication, and a passion for creating engaging and immersive games. By following these 12 essential points, you'll be well on your way to pursuing a successful career in game development. Thank you for watching this video on how to become a game developer. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Tech Game Zone, for more informative videos like this.